Hadi öptüm. Hadi bay bay. Tamam canım bay bay. Bookmark.
From Turkey's snow-capped mountains to its bustling city centers, the country welcomed the new year amidst stunning winter scenery, with heavy snowfall and persistent rain combining to usher in the season with dramatic effect. This winter wonderland brought a harsh reality as temperatures plummeted to 10 degrees Celsius, prompting urgent weather warnings, school closures, and a massive logistical effort to keep snow-covered roads open across the provinces. In Istanbul, the drop in temperatures blanketed the metropolis in a vast expanse of white snow, transforming its iconic skyline and historic buildings into a serene winter wonderland as the new year dawned. Following urgent meteorological warnings, the rain gave way to a stunning snowstorm, particularly in the high mountains on the European and Asian sides. Districts such as Başakşehir, Arnavutköy, Beylikdüzü, Sultangazi, Sekmeköy, and Beykoz were quickly blanketed in a layer of pristine white, while Bagsalar, Krakekmis, Afsalar, Esenyurt, and Silivri also found themselves in the grip of a bustle. The transformation reached the city's historic heart as large, fluffy snowflakes fell over iconic Taksim Square, creating a cinematic backdrop for the new year. On the Asian side, the iconic Samlika Hill transformed into a winter playground. While some residents braved the sudden challenge of the cold, many others rushed to the summit to play snowball fights and capture the magical scenery on their phones.
Aslında onu yanlış yapıyor. O sıra şey yapacak. Sen de elinde görüyorsun.
The city's Disaster Coordination Center, AKOM, warned that temperatures could remain near or below freezing throughout the weekend. The capital, Ankara, was also blanketed in a thick blanket of snow overnight, covering roads, vehicles, and rooftops in a pristine white blanket. While municipal teams conducted a relentless campaign of salting and clearing to keep the city's pulse racing, snowfall was expected to continue steadily until the first morning of the new year. However, the true ferocity of winter hit the eastern provinces, where heavy snow paralyzed transportation and isolated the world from 158 villages and hamlets in Van, Hakkari, Bitlis, and Mus. Several highways, including those connecting Kahramanmaraş, Sivas, Negd, Malatya, and Adıyaman, were temporarily closed to traffic due to the blizzard and adverse weather conditions. The icy wave paralyzed classroom activities and led to the suspension of education on December 31 in various provinces. At least 63 cities, including the capital Ankara and Istanbul, experienced heavy snowfall, although the rainfall only affected parts of the two major cities. Meanwhile, authorities warned residents in 31 cities of the risks posed by heavy rainfall, particularly worsening road conditions. Among these cities are Adana, Agri, Artvin, Bingöl, Bitlis, Elazığ, Erzincan, Erzurum, Giresun, Gümüşhane, Hakkari, Hatay, Kars, Kocaeli, Malatya, Kahramanmaraş, Mardin, Mus, Rize, Sakarya, Siirt, Trabzon, Tunceli, Van, Zonguldak, Batman, Sırnak, Bartın, Ardahan, Osmaniye, and Dus. Most cities across the country were hit by extreme cold and snowfall on Thursday as Turkey welcomed 2026. Schools in several cities were closed on Thursday for the New Year holiday, but the closures were extended to Friday due to heavy snow. In Van, 2 avalanches struck rural areas in the eastern province. An elderly woman died in one of the incidents, while nearly 24 homes have been evacuated due to the risk of avalanches. In remote areas of eastern and southeastern Turkey, known for their harsh winter climate, roads have been closed to hundreds of villages and neighborhoods far from major cities due to snowfall. From the northern city of Bolu and the Black Sea province of Sinop to the southern province of Gaziantep and the southeastern city of Şanlıurfa, a total of 30 provinces have announced full or partial closures, while administrative leave has been granted to pregnant staff and parents of young children to ensure their safety. Officials said the weather system is expected to gradually weaken, but freezing temperatures, frost, fog, and slippery roads will remain a concern well into the new year.